There was a girl who loved deeply more than she should have. Her world began with his name and ended with his silence. She gave him her heart, her time, her prayers, and when he left, she felt empty as if her soul had been stolen. Every night she cried to the stars, asking, "Why did you let me love him, Ya Allah? Only to lose him?" Her heart broke, not once, but over and over again. Every message left unread, every memory like a wound that wouldn't heal. She stopped smiling. She stopped believing in love. She even stopped praying. But in her silence, Allah was calling her back. He was saying, "My servant, you loved a creation more than the Creator. Come back to me." And slowly, the same pain that destroyed her started to guide her back to him.